we got our supplies
Now we're
and
off.
the stuff ready. We already did this. We have the coloring.
I'm ready to
red.
squeeze it.
Don't squeeze it in. No, not yet. We added this. I think it's good enough. Now we shake. One more. We're adding another yellow drop. Okay, good. That's good. And tamarind. Yes. Top, top, top. In a different spot. One of green. Oh, yeah. So this is one. We press it in. And now get it and blow. No, look at yes. I'm holding the napkin. Blow. Wow! That's amazing. Yeah, touch it. That's what happened. We blow.
Mom, no, not in the bowl, not in the bowl.
Now you blow. You do it. Yeah. Yeah, we made a mess. Dip it again. And now blow. Let's see. It should be better now. Again. What?
Wait.
Yeah.
Mom,
it's happening.
I'm making a potion, Mom. I'm making a potion.
It's growing bigger.
I'm making a potion.
Oh, you're making your potion. Just don't drink it. What's going on over here? Well, this experiment is going out of control, and we have blue mouths, all of us who are blowing.
Me.
Ooh.
Look at me.
You want to drive your truck?
But I don't know where
You
it is.
lost it? Okay, Kyrie's truck. You want that? You want my big one? I'm holding it. Whoa.
I didn't get my truck.
All right. There's a giant one, Kyrie. Hold it. Doing, doing. Is it like an ice cream?
I found my
Oh, you have an ice cream cone. Hold it.
I got my truck.
Kyrie got an ice cream cone.
Oh, that looks so cool.
Yeah. Let's do it. No eating, okay? Just no eating. Oh, this truck is here to drive in the foam. Ooh, again. Ooh, that's a red blob. Tomik is doing so well. You want the ice cream? Oh, will it hold? That's your ice cream cup. Let me make you a bigger one. No?
No way, I did it.
You did it? Okay.
Oh, there's a bubbles.
Boom. Everything is in bubbles. I see.
It's even hard to find this truck.
Yeah, it's very hard. Do it again.
My truck is somewhere.
It's somewhere there. Blowing this one.
Yeah.
I'm holding it.
I'm good. I'm kind of done with the science. I like them. I'm done.
Then wash your hands. Tomik is done. Kyrie is still blowing giant blobs.
No way.
That's awesome.
No.
It's falling. Boing, boing. Ew. So cool. This is a really cool thing to do. You are Mr. Blob.
Follow me.
Follow me. Kyrie is also Mr. Blob. His mouth is still blue. That's super messy.
Kill Mr. Blob.
Kill Mr. Blob.